Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a social media strategy with Hootsuite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding your goals for your social media strategy. Identify the key objectives you want to achieve. These could include increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting engagement. Next, research your target audience. Determine who they are, what platforms they use, and their interests. Once you have this information, you can tailor your content effectively. Now, let's log into Hootsuite. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial or choose a plan that suits your needs. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see options to connect your social media profiles. Click on the Add Social Network button. Select the platforms you wish to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Once connected, move on to creating a content calendar. A content calendar helps you plan and organize your posts. You can create one directly within Hootsuite by clicking on the Publisher tab. In the calendar view, select the date you want to schedule a post. Compose your message, add images or links, and ensure it aligns with your goals. Use Hootsuite's scheduling feature to choose the best time for your audience. Pay attention to insights on when your followers are most active. Next, consider how to engage with your audience. Plan interactive content such as polls, questions, and giveaways. Monitor mentions, comments, and messages through Hootsuite streams. Respond promptly to create a dialogue with your followers. It's also vital to analyze your performance regularly. Use the Analytics section in Hootsuite to view your engagement metrics and reach. Look for trends in what content performs best. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Finally, stay adaptable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.